Guys, yan na po siya, NBA 2K26. So may career din. Okay, team 2K26, may career po yan guys. Tas default NBA 2K26. All team Summer League Court 2K26. Tapos yan, mapapansin nyo guys, updated na po yan guys, yung mga natin, bagong roster natin, no? So Celtics, Clippers, Grizzlies, Hawks, Atlanta Heat, Hornets, Jazz, okay? Sacramento Kings, Knicks, okay? Los Angeles Lakers. So, so may bago na naman tayong update dito sa NBA 2K26. Magandang araw sa inyo, no? So ito po ay galing kay Twin TV, no? So sinusupport ko po ang lahat ng nagmo-mod po at ng nagba-vlog dito sa NBA 2K mods, okay? Punta na po tayo guys sa may Z Archiver. Okay, Z Archiver, punta na po tayo dyan. Punta po tayo ng download. Okay. Then, ito na po yung na-download natin na OBB at yung APK. So, una natin gagawin guys is install natin tong NBA 2K26 by Twin TV. Okay, so click natin yan, then click natin install. Click natin install. Guys, sinusupport ko po ang lahat ng modders ha. Okay, then click natin tong more details. Okay, then install anyway. Then use pin. Kung may pin yung cellphone nyo, input nyo lang. Okay, then click yung done. Okay, then next naman, open natin muna yung NBA 2K. Tignan natin kung mag-open siya. So yan na nga po guys. So syempre hindi pa talaga yan mag-open guys, no? Hanggang dyan lang po yan sa may intro nya. Kasi hindi pa po natin namumove yung OBB. Yan po yung pinaka-intro guys, no? So may lalabas po yan guys na app is not properly installed. Okay, so ayan, click lang natin yung allow. So yan po, the app is not properly installed. Please install it again. So ang gagawin naman natin guys is yung i-move naman natin yung OBB. Panoorin nyo to. Tapos balik po tayo guys sa may Z Archiver. So open natin tong cam.t2k sports na NBA 2K20 end. Tapos itong nakikita yung dalawa, yung OBB po yan. So ang gagawin natin, click nyo yung tatlong dot sa taas. Then click nyo yung multi-select. Then select nyo itong dalawa. Then hold nyo po. Click nyo po yung cut. Okay, cut lang po, no? Cut. Then click nyo po sa taas yung device storage. Yung device storage. Then click nyo po yung Android. Then click nyo po yung OBB. Then click nyo po itong cam.t2k sports NBA 2K20 and then click nyo po yung paste sa baba. Okay, tapos hintayin lang po natin siyang mag-paste guys, okay? So sundan nyo lang itong mabuting tutorial na to kasi napaka-legit po talaga nito guys, no? Then papas forward ko na po itong ano na to, pag-move ng paste na to kasi medyo matagal po to, okay? So eto na po guys, na-move na po natin yung main at yung patch na OBB. So next naman na gagawin natin guys is pwede na po natin yung malaro, sigurado yan guys. Okay, so hanapin na po natin yung NBA 2K26. So ito na po yan guys, open na nga po natin yan. Yun, so let's go, tingnan natin kung gagana na siya guys. No, kung di pa rin to gagana guys, gagamit po tayo ng double installation, no, na process for yung method po natin, okay? So sana gumana siya, pero pag hindi pa rin guys, tingnan natin. So hindi, gagamitin natin yung second option. So syempre guys, hindi pa rin siya gumana, di ba? Pahiya tayo onti doon, no? So balik ulit tayo guys ng Z Archiver. Okay, pahiya tayo onti doon guys, sorry. Then punta ulit tayo ng download, do. Yan, pinapakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ko po ginagawa pag hindi po siya na-install ng maayos, ha. Kailangan po siya uli nating i-install, okay? Ito po yung tinatawag kong double installation method. So open nyo po yan, then click nyo yung install. Okay, so double installation po yung gagawin natin guys. So click nyo uli guys yung more details, then click nyo guys yung install anyway, then use pin 0296 kung may pin yung cellphone nyo guys. Then click na po natin guys yung open. Okay, sigurado Oh, yan guys, gagana na yan. Ako, pag di pa rin to gumana guys, nako, ewan ko na lang talaga. So, basta sundin nyo lang yung double installation na method po natin, no? So, gagana po talaga lahat ng NBA 2K mods na gagawa natin ng tutorial. Let's go! Yun, no? Kitang-kita nyo naman guys, di ba? Gumagana po guys yung double installation method natin. Okay? Nakita ko naman sa inyo guys, kitang-kita nyo yan. Okay, so kompleto na po ang lahat ng updated roster dito. Pero syempre mag-upload pa rin po tayo ng mas updated, okay? So, tap screen to continue. Okay. Mapansin nyo guys, unlimited money syempre. 2K nab. Okay, 2K nab natin, then load or save. So makikita nyo guys, yan na po siya, NBA 2K26. So may career din. Okay, team 2K26, may career po yan guys. Tas default NBA 2K26. All team Summer League Court 2K26. Tapos yan, all team recolor jersey 2K26 na rin yan. Okay, all team 2K Court 2K26, okay? Yan. Dito tayo sa may guys, na may default. Wait lang. Ulitin natin. Load or save. Hanapin natin yung default. Dito tayo guys sa may default NBA 2K26. Check natin yung mga roster. Okay. So, click nyo yung back. Then, click nyo option. Manage roster. Yan, mapapansin nyo guys, updated na po yan guys, yung mga natin, bagong roster natin, no? So, Celtics, Clippers, Grizzlies, Hawks, Atlanta Heat, Hornets, Jazz, okay? Sacramento Kings, Knicks, okay? Los Angeles Lakers. So, check naman natin guys yung gameplay niya, no? Gameplay niya. So, click natin yung play now. Quick game. Siyempre, Thunder pa rin tayo guys, Thunder. Okay, sakat. So, Indiana Pacers na lang guys, Indiana Pacers. Yan, let's go! Lari na natin to guys.
Welcome sports fans, thanks for joining us.
You know?
And it's time for NBA
OKC versus Indiana Pacers. Okay, so napaka-legit nito guys, start na natin to.
Starting lineups for both teams.
Okay, siyempre siya sa Julius Alexander as Alex Caruso. Hindi na mawawala yan, di ba? Oh, shit, Holmgren. Okay, Alex Lucas, Luke Ritzdorn. So, OKC yan, guys. Indiana Pacers, Tyrese Haliburton, syempre, hindi mawala yan. Aaron Nesmith. Okay, let's go. Start na po natin yung gameplay. Medyo inuubuta ako, guys. Ganda nung court.
And it's gonna be the Pacers off the
Ang ganda nung court guys, grabe, sobrang ganda nung court.
Now here's Turner.
Can't
get it to go.
Pero guys, gusto ko 2K yung camera. Babaguhin natin yan guys. Mas prepare ko guys ang 2K eh. Okay, drive. Hindi yan. Skybox, hindi, ayoko niya. Nosebleeds, action, ayoko. Player lock, ayoko. 2K. Yes! 2K yan guys. Yan, 2K natin.
And out of bounds as the Pacers.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds pa. Hindi siya naka-player lock eh. Rev angle, auto flip on. Key zoom. Auto flip on eh. Okay. Key zoom, rev angle on. Okay.
Oklahoma City on D. And the shot is good.
Balistad. Balistad guys, balistad. Auto flip up. Rev angle up. Save. Yan.
Oklahoma City with it.
Let's go. Okay na this. Okay na this. Okay na this. Pinasa. Oops, kumakalas yung mood. Sorry, paid yun. Pick pala, pick, paid tuloy. Let's go, Aliborto, no? Anong ginagawa mo dyan, ha? Box out ka sa akin. Ano? Gumalaw ka. Gumalaw kayo. Hoy! Foul? Paano nangyari yung mga pol-pol na yun?
And the first one at the line is good.
Foul pa nga. Eh!
No good on the second, so he hits
Tay
1
tayo
2.
dyan.
Pacers on defense. And so
Nice one!
to the line.
Foul,
Officials
boot
on the
na lang
contact,
foul.
and he'll shoot 2.
Nag-shoot natin ito sayang.
And he makes the first.
Isa pa. All three.
That one falls.
Nice one siya eh. Lakas mo.
And just over a minute played here in the start of the game.
Foul pa nga. Blocking foul, yes.
The blocking foul. He's on his way to the free throw line.
Open pa nga. Lakas eh, no? Basa natin yun dyan, guys.
And here are the Thunder now.
3 points. Kaya ba?
For 3.
Uy,
The drive
sablay.
to the ball. But Pacers pull it in.
Sayang,
And running. About a minute and a half through the first.
Chin foul. Chin foul pa nga. Okay, box out.
Launches a 3.
Ako.
He shoots again. The shot from the low post is good.
Nice one.
He's got 5.
Takbo.
On defense, Indiana. 4-point game. The first quarter of action, 2 minutes in. Shoots from 14. And
Tublay.
Oklahoma
Ang
City.
ganda
No
na eh.
good.
Baba. Nice one.
Stolen away. And even 3-on-3 break. The finger.
Nice one.
The bucket.
Brought back the finger roll.
Pag ganun ang play, makakalamang talaga tayo niyan, guys.
Defense all over.
And just under 2.5 minutes elapsed here in the first.
Hey,
Takes a 3. There's the bucket. Good.
shoot yun.
There, guys, was pretty much non-existent. I mean, you can't leave a good shooter like that open.
Sumabay ka pa.
Good, a bit
So,
short.
yun. Yeah, box out lang. Huwag niyong call-in. Box out lang. Huwag yung masyadong gigil.
Beyond the arc.
Uy, shoot.
And the Pacers.
Bam!
Another 3.
Awas.
Presents a defender with a serious challenge. Always.
They need a good offensive possession.
Yeah, they've had a number of empty ones. A long time without a basket.
Akala nyo kayo lang ah.
You're right.
Ito, hindi tayo makatres ah.
And there's the slam dunk to finish it off. Time called here.
Hindi
The
ikaw na.
Thunder decide to talk it
Galing
over.
kayo eh.
And first quarter, we're about 3.5 minutes in. Shot to stop the run.
Boom!
Is right back at you with a
Ano
big
kayo
dunk of his
ngayon ha? Nakita nyo ba yun? Baboy eh.
No one near him. And again, it's
Okay
Indiana
lang.
converting.
It seems that every pass
Okay
they make is
lang.
leading to a score here. I mean, that's
Hindi
just
tayo
exquisite ball movement.
From deep three-point range,
Bam!
the rebound by Turner.
Ba yan? Ay ko na.
Takes it from Turner. Moves back up. So the whistle blows on the shot and 2 free
Shooting
throws.
foul na naman.
Right there.
Pakaangas mo pala
First
dun,
one
boy.
falls for. Both good from the line that time. a three.
Uy, Pam.
The Pacers pull it in.
Tambok na tayo, ano na.
That's 2
Ano
fouls.
na, bubugan na lang.
We'll probably have to spend some
Bubugan na
time on the
lang.
bench before
Total,
halftime.
dadaya niyo eh.
And the first one goes. And he makes both free throws.
Ay, tambok na, 22. Ano na. Kinapon
It's
pa.
tipped.
Kinapon pa nga.
The 17-footer. And it's blocked. But he gets it back. For the three.
Pam.
No good.
Boy, just by his body language,
Never
you can
nakashoot,
tell
ah.
he thought that triple was
Never nakashoot gang. Boom. Boom. Babo yan. Tapos na yung biyama. Yan. Okay, hanggang dito na lang yung video natin guys. God bless po sa ating lahat. Follow nyo yung tutorial. Let's go!